If you are a creator that is trying to build out your UGC portfolio, but stuck, uninspired, not sure what type of content to create, then this video is definitely for you because it's going to show you examples of content, UGC content that brands love. I know this because I'm on the brand side and I pay UGC creators for this type of content. So I know what brands are looking for and I know what resonates well. Even if you are an established UGC creator and you're not uninspired and you know what to shoot, but you need more ideas to build out your portfolio, or you're just trying to see what are brands excited about, then I also think you will love today's video. Now, I do want to warn you guys, it is very much screen share. So it's very typical of the way I teach is through example and through visual. So what I'm actually going to do is hop off here, head over to my computer and show you guys actual examples so that you can learn and build these for your own portfolios. Now, before I do that, if you are a UGC creator, go ahead and like this video so that I know to keep making content for UGC creators. And also, if you are interested in pitching to brands and you haven't pitched to brands yet, you're still in the portfolio phase, or maybe you are pitching to brands, but you're stuck at that small money mindset. You're not getting big brand deals. You're not getting retainer work. Then make sure to come to my next free live training. I host them all the time. It's for UGC creators. It's for influencers. We're going to talk about brand deals. I'm going to be sharing my screen live, reading pitches out loud, and much more. So go ahead and sign up for our next free live training. And now let's go ahead and hop over to the screen share element of this video. So let's go ahead and take a look at some examples. The first being testimonial style. When it comes to UGC, brands are looking for this type of content. Right here, this is Jordan Sloan. She is a well-known influencer, but she's created a testimonial style video for Summer Fridays to post on their account. So right here, I don't have the volume on, but if I was to turn it on, she's literally going on and talking about this product, how she uses it, and how she kind of endorses it. Regardless if you knew who she was or not, you can tell that this is like a testimonial style video where she is talking on behalf of the product and endorsing it. Similarly, there is this company, Greenlight Card. They're doing a video with their kids and how they use this budgeting app and this card to help their children. So when I started to look through this video, it's very much the same. It's very much testimonial style. The family is endorsing, the family is saying, this is what we use. Like, it feels like this is something they use, and they're just showing their journey behind it. So testimonial style videos are obviously very effective because the people are talking about like their experience as people who use the product, and it feels, you know, that testimonial that sells strongly, this type of UGC content. Another type of content brands love for UGC is showing the journey. So right here on screen, you can see American Express. They're showing this video about a recent trip to a part in Australia, Adelaide, and they're showing the journey, like this piece of content created by this user who they are not, you know, crediting. This person was most likely, again, this is an assumption, but hired to shoot this video, piece it together as user-generated content for Amex to use. It shows the journey, how through their entire trip, this is how they were able to use their American Express card. So it's not like a talking head video. There's movement of time. We see there's like a component that, you know, it's not all shot at once, right? And you feel that journey story being told in this UGC content. Now, similarly to journey style content is the vlog style. So this creator is saying, come with me for a Target run to stock up on this. So there's this vlogging element of like, we're going somewhere, we're doing something, you're behind the scenes coming with me. You know, it's not like she just sat and showed the supplements that she's talking about, just again, talking head. There's that vlogging element. And I think a lot of times when brands want to work with UGC creators, they want to show, again, that journey. So vlogging is a style of journey. So again, a lot of these videos, guys, have crossover, right? This is also kind of like a product review, but the way she shot it shows movement in the story. It's very much like a vloggy in the sense that she's vlogging her experience. This is also very much a vlog style from Away, which is a luggage company. They're showing, you know, that journey element of traveling. Their luggages are all around the world, from Scotland to Lisbon to Austria. and they're showing the content being pieced together. So again, from a UGC perspective, this is the type of stuff brands want. Like a luggage company, they would love this type of content. They would love to see how their luggages are shown all across the world. So this vlog style isn't coming from, one particular influencer or UGC creator. It's a compilation. And again, vlog and journey style videos are very similar, but again, it's just to show you the type of content that if you're working on to put in your portfolio, you're going to want to consider. Now, another style of UGC content that does extremely well for especially products are unboxings. So here we can see again, Away luggage, showing that unboxing element, like literally taking it out of the bag for the first time. How does it look? There's a voyeuristic sort of feeling when you're watching this. You're like, oh, I feel like you're seeing it, unpacked for the first time. This is how it looks when it comes out of the case. And you almost feel like you're having that experience as well from the style of shooting. So of course we couldn't do a UGC video. Brands love unboxings. They love telling that customer journey, like you got your package, here's what it feels like to unwrap it. People get excited about that. Here is another example of an unboxing that we're seeing. This creator is shooting it right from the mirror, it appears. It's a different style. She is showing a new, I believe it's a hair removal tool, and it's done in this like lighthearted way. There's text on screen, but she didn't have to leave her house to shoot this, right? This is the type of unboxing that she's literally doing in her bathroom. So when you start to think about, does UGC content need to be complicated? Do I need to be in an airport flying across and jumping off cruises or whatever? It doesn't, right? This is a very, very simple example, simple text on screen, simply shot, one take, most likely, edited in fun different ways. And it's simple. So don't let yourself get held back by content that you think needs to be overly complicated. Unboxings are very simple ways to showcase a product. Now, brands love before and afters, especially if they can show a transformation. Can you show transformation? So what I think again about this creator, what she is doing, what's really interesting, I'm gonna actually start it again from the beginning, because she does this little edit right here where she's showing her lips. I think she puts a little line on the screen to show again, the before I apply and after I apply. So she's trying to show what this transformation will look like. People love transformation videos, especially when it comes to UGC. So again, from a production standpoint, this video isn't really hard to build because it's just all shot, very tight frame, being done from home. But something to consider as well, if you're putting in your portfolio, you're trying to get brand deals, you want to create UGC content, add some before and after content to your portfolio. Brands love before and after. They love to show the transformation. Now, the same company that we saw do an unboxing, let me go ahead and show you how they're using before and afters. Now, beware, this is a hair removal, so it's not like the sexiest thing to watch, but they're showing here it was before, here it is 6 weeks after, and this is the product. So they're showing proof of concept. So if you're working with a brand and you want to show them, hey, like this is what I can do to show the, and actually show, hey, this is how it works. Here's the before, here's the after. I think that's something that's going to impress your brand partners, because these type of videos take longer to make. Like you have to shoot and then shoot again in 6 weeks. So there is value in that, right? As someone who's going to go ahead and do that for their partners. And I think it shows dedication as well on the creator side. Now, brands love, love, love behind the scenes style of content. I think it just humanizes a brand. So this is an example of a piece of UGC content that's just showing behind the scenes. So, how we kind of got the shot, right? We're showing the behind, we're showing the, we're showing the product shots, but we're also showing how we got the shots. Even seeing the hair blower create some waves in the water, that creates some excitement. People want to watch that. So if you have this type of content where you can show behind the scenes and have this in your portfolio, this is something brands get pumped about, because it shows that you are really thinking also outside the box about diversifying their feed and their portfolio of how they talk about their product. Now, a lot of times the videos that I'm showing you, they're reviewing the product while they're showing, right? While they're vlogging, like that Target girl. She was vlogging, but she was reviewing the product. This is also a product review example, a sweet little baby, but the parent is going on and actually talking, right? Using voiceover, which I'm not going to play any audio to be distracting, but showing, she's not showing before and after, she's not showing this or that. It's part testimonial, part product review. And she's showing how she uses these products on her own baby, as well as like reviewing it and talking about the benefits. So a lot of times when you guys are shooting these videos, there is a product review element. You're reviewing product. And that's just something to consider. Just wanted to show you guys a different example. Now, this is an example of a product review that kind of poses a question, right? So lotions in newborns. Here, let me start that again. She's asking a question that maybe a lot of parents have. Should I be using lotion on a newborn? And you're getting this testimonial style product review hybrid where she is posing a question and then showing, hey, yes, you actually should. It protects their skin. It helps them from eczema. When you look at this video, you guys, right? This is a Vino. This is a major baby product. This video is quite simple. It's a mom. She is talking about her experience. She posed a question and it shows a lot of different elements. So when you guys start thinking about putting your UGC portfolio together, look at these examples on how you can create videos that are simple but straightforward and something a brand would really like to purchase from you or license from you. Now, a big UGC element brands love is morning routines, get ready with me. This one right here is a get ready with me piece. She again is showing her morning, how she sits, how she journals. Obviously, this is for this journal company. That's their video, the 5-minute journal. But the video is integrated into her routine, right? So it's not the whole video is not, hey, look at me, journal. It's pieces. And I believe if we watch it again, we see her get out of bed. So this is the morning, right? It's the key to her productivity. She opens her blinds and then she makes her bed. So step 3, and then right by step 4, she gets into showing the product. And then step 5, she's writing in the product. Step 6, she closes it out. And then we go into her other rest of her routine. So it shows how that product was integrated into the bigger picture. It's not just a whole thing. It shows an integration, which is a style of UGC brands love too, because it's not overly salesy. She's just kind of showing it as this natural, authentic part of her morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed all those examples and it wasn't too overwhelming for you. Let me know in the comments below, was there a video that stuck out to you? Do you enjoy this style? Do you like seeing other creators' examples? Obviously, our team did the research to provide this for you guys. So again, if you did like that entire session, go ahead and like this video. Fuel our fire. Let us know that this is the type of stuff that you want on this channel. And I will see you guys in the next video.